Hi guys, this is Victoria and today we're going to be opening egg surprises. But first, here, you want to walk more? You need some more exercise, I guess. Walk to tree. Mine, there's this, and so let's open it. Oh my gosh, what's this? A Tinkerbell, I think? A Tinkerbell green. Oh, whoa, look how much candies. Now, these, I've tried a few before. They're candies, wait. And they're really good. I have no idea what they're called, but in this egg, there are a bunch of blow pops. They're kind of like chewing gum, and they're candy. Very yummy, sweet.
I think it's a chewing gum.
Oh, okay.
I'll just eat it.
Later.
Maybe I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Egg in there. Okay, my turn to open an egg. Inside, there's a pancake. Again, what is wrong with me?
Swiper took it?
Guess so. Oh, so the Swiper's the bad guy.
Not me.
Oh wow, another egg. Oh, it's yellow.
It's a bee.
Get away from me. Okay, so I got chewing gums, blow pops, and the eggs and blow pops. Blow pops, chewing gums, candies. Okay. Ooh, very pretty sparkly egg. I have. Inside, oh my gosh, are 2 wheels of blow pops. They are so funny. So here, I'll put them in the back of the candy so you can see. Okay, next this one. Okay, another egg. Whoa.
What's inside?
Oh my gosh, you got all the crumbs. The crumbs are the candy, awesome. We can't eat the full candy, so we're eating the crumbs. Come on, why won't you eat the crumbs? Oh, I don't want to. Okay. Bunny ribbit, hop hop, ribbit, ribbit. It's easy to open eggs. Very. Yummy caramel egg. I want to eat one after. Another egg. We found it at Stevens in a tree on Easter. And it was a big story. It can be. Here we go. Next. So hard to open.
Okay, Jacob.
Very bad video. Alexander.
The Swiper take my toy.
Green. Okay, no more. Oh, a bunch of candy. Oh, wow. Look. Some egg. These chewing gums.
Can I have one Starburst? Thank you.
No.
I don't have one Starburst. Fine. I'll take the Starburst instead. Okay.
Oh my god.
Bigger. Oh, that was heavy stuff inside that. Whoa! Inside there's this truck. It is a blue truck. Very fast truck. This one has a nice little spinner. And this one is a pink car. Comfortable, probably. Again, no way. Why do I always have to do it? Okay, now all of this. I need another one. Bigger. I need more Lego. No, I feel that last one. They're my favorite. These are from Europe, and they're from Slovakia. They're eggs that you can hang on the Christmas tree or wherever you want, and they're in every color. Orange, yellow, blue, red, green, pink. I love green. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.